Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best uranium commodity Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CySEC, the ASIC and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. At number 4 on our list is FXTM. FXTM, or Forex Time, is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker founded in 2011. Serving clients in over 180 countries, it's known for its transparency, reliability, and strong regulatory framework under authorities like the FCA, CySEC, and FSCA. FXTM offers access to a wide range of markets through powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5, with competitive spreads, fast execution, and a wealth of educational resources. The broker gives traders access to more than 1,000 instruments across global markets. Their offering includes major asset classes such as Forex, Commodities, metals, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, futures CFDs, ETF CFDs, and crosses CFDs. FXTM's diversified instrument lineup makes it suitable for traders who want flexibility to explore different markets and asset types, from traditional shares and commodities to more speculative instruments like crypto and futures. FXTM provides traders with a versatile suite of trading platform options designed to suit different styles and devices. At its core are the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, both available on desktop, mobile, and web browser versions. For mobile-centric or beginner traders, FXTM also offers its proprietary FXTM application, which acts both as an account management interface and trading platform. Whether you prefer the classic MetaTrader 4, the more feature-rich MetaTrader 5, or a mobile-first experience via their application, FXTM has you covered across devices and experience levels. The broker offers a variety of trading account types, designed to suit different trading styles and experience levels. Their Advantage account is their most popular option, featuring ultra-tight spreads and access to a wide range of instruments, with a minimum deposit of around $200. For traders who prefer commission-free trading, the Advantage Plus account provides the same market access, but with slightly wider spreads, starting from about 1.5 pips. Lastly, their Advantage Stocks account is tailored specifically for equity traders, offering direct access to global stocks with no commission, tight spreads, and trading exclusively through the MetaTrader 5 platform. FXTM's account options are flexible, transparent, and designed to give traders the freedom to choose what best fits their strategy and goals. FXTM provides a robust knowledge hub filled with free educational content across all experience levels. Traders can dive into guides and tutorials covering the basics like what is Forex, candlestick patterns, strategy types, and risk management. Their ebooks, often authored by seasoned market analysts, explore more in-depth topics. For those who prefer watching and listening, FXTM offers a series of educational videos spanning foundational concepts to advanced strategies. They also host seminars and webinars, allowing traders to engage live with expert presenters, ask questions, and absorb market insights. To round things off, their library of articles and market commentary keeps users updated on technical patterns, economic developments, and trading perspectives, all written by experienced analysts. Whether you're just starting out or refining your edge, FXTM's education suite gives you structured reading, visual learning, and interactive formats to level up your trading knowledge. Coming in at number 3, we have FXCM. FXCM, established in 1999, is a trusted global broker renowned for its innovative and user-friendly trading station platform, available across desktop, web, and mobile. Designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, the broker combines innovative tools with advanced features that make navigating the markets easier and more efficient. Beyond its platform, the broker offers comprehensive educational resources, in-depth market analysis, and responsive customer support, ensuring traders have the guidance and tools they need to make more informed decisions. Backed by a strong regulatory framework and worldwide presence, FXCM provides a secure and reliable trading environment, making it a preferred choice for traders seeking both performance and peace of mind. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to various trading strategies and preferences. Traders can access a wide selection of currency pairs, including major, minor, and exotic pairs. For those interested in indices, FXCM provides CFDs on global indices. Commodity traders can engage with CFDs on commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, and agricultural products. Additionally, the broker offers single share CFDs, allowing traders to speculate on individual stocks without owning the underlying asset. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts can trade CFDs on popular cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These instruments are available on the broker's proprietary trading platform, which offers advanced charting tools and seamless execution. Their flagship trading station is a proprietary platform available on web, desktop, and mobile devices. It provides advanced charting tools, automated trading capabilities, and a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both novice and experienced traders. FXCM also supports MetaTrader 4, as well as TradingView integration, which allows traders to analyze markets using advanced charting tools and execute trades directly from the platform. These platforms are designed to offer seamless execution, real-time market data, and a comprehensive trading experience across multiple devices. The broker offers a range of trading account types to cater to different trading needs and preferences. Their standard account provides access to popular currency pairs and CFDs with enhanced execution and no restrictions on stop and limit orders. For traders who actively engage in the markets, the active trader account offers tiered pricing based on trading volume, along with additional benefits such as dedicated support and advanced trading tools. These account types are designed to accommodate various trading strategies and preferences, ensuring that traders have the flexibility and support they need to succeed in the market. FXCM offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at all levels. Their offerings include live daily webinars, such as the Morning Market Review and the Crypto Minute, providing real-time market insights. Additionally, FXCM provides a library of in-depth trading guides covering topics like Forex fundamentals, successful trading traits, and beginner share market strategies. Traders can also access free online courses, on-demand videos, and a live online classroom to enhance their trading knowledge. To further support learning, FXCM offers a free demo account for practice and the FXCM Plus platform, which include tools like trading analytics to help traders refine their strategies. At number 2 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option is a leading online trading platform that provides users with the opportunity to engage in a wide range of financial markets. With a user-friendly interface and a wealth of educational resources, IQ Option empowers traders to access and trade various assets. The platform offers a versatile trading experience, combining simplicity with advanced tools to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. As a result, IQ Option has earned a reputation as a trusted and innovative choice for those seeking to explore the world of online trading. IQ Option offers a diverse array of trading instruments for individuals looking to explore financial markets. Their wide range of instruments includes stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and options. This platform empowers traders to access and trade these assets seamlessly, providing a comprehensive trading experience. IQ Option offers a tailored proprietary trading platform, which provides traders with a range of cutting-edge tools designed to cater to different preferences and needs. This platform is available as a user-friendly web platform, a desktop application, and a mobile trading application for on-the-go trading. IQ Option's trading platform offers an array of analytical tools, indicators, and a seamless trading experience across various financial markets. Accounts are offered on a standard real account, a VIP account, with demo and Islamic account options. Their array of accounts ensures that traders can choose the one that best suits their trading objectives and experience level. IQ Option offers an extensive array of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills. These resources include interactive tutorials, video lessons, webinars, and articles covering various aspects of trading. From basic concepts to advanced strategies, IQ Option's educational material caters to traders of all levels of expertise. Whether you're a beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced trader seeking to refine your techniques, these resources offer valuable insights. Additionally, the platform's demo account allows users to practice strategies in a risk-free trading environment, enhancing the learning experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best uranium commodity forex brokers, we have IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. And those are some of the top 5 best uranium commodity forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.